Hello, and thank you for joining me for Ask Gardener Lynn. So gardening can be a bit tricky sometimes, and just a little bit of help can turn a troubled garden around. So let's keep those gardens on track. So our question today comes from Terry. She lives in Texas. She is in zone 8A. And her question is, I still have last spring's dinosaur kale and collards in my garden. They are too bitter to eat. Will they be less bitter when it gets cold, or should I compost them and start over? And she asked this question in the fall, so the plants are around 5 to 6 months old, so we have to keep that in mind. You know, Terry, this is a great question, and I would start over and grow a fresh crop. I like to replant my kale and collards every 3 months, especially in the areas where you can grow them all year round. This helps keep the leaves to be younger and more tender and keeps the nutrients up. So here's what I would do. Plant the first crop of kale and collards in the spring, and then mark the calendar and plant the second crop 13 weeks later. Mark the calendar for 13 weeks so you know when to plant the third crop, and then mark the calendar 13 more weeks so you know when to plant the fourth crop. So you got it all marked out on your calendar. So once the newest crop is ready to harvest, you want to pull up the previous crop. So you got one crop, it's up and growing, you're eating off of it, you start the second crop, and once it's up and growing, then you take the first one out. And you can do this continually for years on end. So this is the way you have one crop coming on and one crop producing for you at all times. So this will keep you in young, fresh kale and collards all year round. And also the older crop, it may be bitter because it's lacking in nutrients. So I like to feed my kale every 4 weeks with an organic fertilizer or compost, and this keeps the nutrients up and keeps the flavor sweet. So kale and collards, they're an easy, fun, and nutritious crop for you to grow. So if you have a garden question that you would like answered, please click on the link below this video and submit your question. And if you would like to learn more about high-performance gardening and want to see us grow a whole season of vegetables week by week for 33 weeks, then go ahead and sign up for the High Performance Garden Show. So in this show, we follow a high-performance garden from seed to putting it to bed at the end of the season. And this is the best insider's look at watching everything that we do with the vegetable plants week after week all season long. We're even going to show you a professional trellising system for your garden. So the show, it's free, it's online, and you can watch it anytime. You can find it on our website, thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show, and you can sign up there, or there should be a link below this video where you can sign up. So I want to thank you for watching, and please subscribe to our channel for more high-performance gardening information, and you can submit your garden questions so you can get the answers that you need. And until next time, may your garden be easy, fun, productive, and always organic.